Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Discord that can help you save on data usage, Data Saver Mode. If you're frequently on the go and want to ensure you're not burning through your mobile data, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started with the steps on how to turn it on. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you haven't already installed it, go ahead and download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll see the U tab. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, you'll want to access the settings by tapping on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon helps you navigate to various customization options within Discord. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the Chat option. Tap on Chat to view additional settings related to your messaging preferences. Under the Data Consumption section, you'll see an option for Data Saving Mode. This feature is what we're after, so go ahead and tap to select it. Finally, turn on the toggle next to Data Saving Mode. This simple step will enable the feature, allowing you to enjoy your Discord chats with reduced data usage. And that's it. You've successfully activated Data Saver Mode in Discord. Now you can enjoy chatting with your friends without worrying as much about your data consumption. Happy chatting!